Alright guys, what's up? So we are at Real Street Performance today with Freddy, and we're going to go over the tune, some tip-in tuning, and some overall tuning, make sure everything's healthy and clean for the season after the past 3 events. On the mainline dyno, a few weekends ago, we tuned the car. You can tune the car, but you can't do much tip-in. So on the roller dyno, you can do a lot more adjustments with that and all that good stuff. So Freddy's going to go in there, do his thing, make sure the car is healthy, some tip-in tuning, and make sure it's perfect. We're extra early today, like 7 a.m. first thing today. Big thanks to Real Street, my sponsor, for having used the dyno this morning. It's a really nice dyno. So if you need a car tune, hit up Freddy at Real Street. It's always available. Also smoking that last pull. My tires are rubbing on the spinning and also rubbing on the bumper, so don't be alarmed. The mid map, we're obviously going to make way more power on the hub dyno, on the roller dyno than the hub dyno. So next pull, we'll do the full map and see, full boost map, see where it goes. But this turbo is not my favorite at all. We're definitely going to be switching, like I said. It's kind of lazy, but it works. But we're definitely going to go to a G35 1050 here in the next few months. So hopefully, this works just fine. But it does fall off a pretty good amount, but it still feels good in drift. But I think now with the tip-in that he did, it's going to be a lot better overall. But I really want to get in there with another turbo and make it even more perfect. So we have nice power band from mid-range all the belts and red lines. So you kind of see it falls off up here closer to 7,000, but whatever. We got a winners to adjust wheel speed and torque, so we do a gear change to make it work. But this will work fine, but definitely want to do a bigger turbo. Not bigger, a more efficient turbo. So on that last pull, the car kind of shut off completely because we had a higher boost. It tripped out the coil packs to not allow the amperage to go through them. So we had to go into the USB to CAN, ECU master USB to CAN, go in there, raise the amperage for the coil packs. Now we're good to go.
It'll work, but damn, this is fast out. You're gonna get copyrighted for the music in the back?
Might as well. So we had a really weird fuel pressure drop, like 10 psi, when the secondary pump came on. So we pulled the top hat off the fuel cell, and the line was a little bit loose. But then we found out that our fuel filter was pretty clogged, and I had new lines on there, but like I flushed all of them out, and it's PTFE for the feed, but AN from the back, and I guess 1-ethanol kind of really eats up the normal AN line. So I'm going to do PTFE line next week, make sure it's good. But now we should be fixed and ready to go, because on the high map we were not getting correct fuel pressure, but the other maps we were fine. So hopefully it's fixed. Let's see what happens. That was definitely our issue. The little line was loose, and then the fuel filter was pretty freaking clogged. So yeah, I was gonna clean that, but I'm glad we did, because it's a big problem. But that made really good power. That was really sick. So I'm real stoked on that. 735 horsepower and 680 torque. Oh my god. This dyno will read higher than the other dyno, but still, it's sick. The lowest boost, we made 634, 550 torque. So the mid map probably makes, I think it was like 675, 611 torque, and the highest map 735, 680 torque. That's gonna be unbelievable. But again, it's not on retire, but the tip in, I can definitely tell was way better. So hell yeah. So today we came here to make sure the car was good, do a health check over the tune, make sure it's all good for the season. And it all checked out pretty good. Freddy did his thing. What do you think so far? How's it going?
Good. I mean, I'm glad you came.
Yeah.
Shulman did not want to come to Dyno.
It gives me anxiety, okay? I want to come here, but I just get so much damn anxiety.
I'm full of anxiety. Do I have to do this? Come on, it's been fine.
I know the right answer.
And I'm like, Shulman, spend the night.
Yep.
We'll go down in the morning.
Yep.
We'll figure it out.
And we figured it out.
And we found two critical issues on 30 pounds? Yeah, 30 pounds. 31 pounds. The coils pulled so many amperage, it tripped the breaker in the PDM, so we upped the amperage there. And then fuel pressure drop, which turned out to be a pretty clogged fuel filter.
Yep.
And yeah,
Yeah.
Good.
So now we have the 3 maps. Now each a little bit higher than the other dyno. We have 628. It's about the same. Well, no, it's more.
Broke in.
And engine broke in now, so now it's like really sealed, ready to go. 630 on the low boost, mid boost 689, and high boost 732. But the torque is pretty freaking sweet. The mid map is like perfect. With 689 horsepower, 630 torque is like amazing. So like fun maps, I'll use the lowest map just to have some laugh, and the skid pad and other maps I'll use for, you know, the big boy events. But other than that, thank you, Freddy.
Yep.
Thank you, Real Street. Thank you, Michael. Everything's going good. Now we're gonna go drive next week at the TRC event. And yeah, car's perfect. I'm very stoked. Let's go drive.
You have to upload this video before the event.
Yeah.
Yeah, like tonight, tomorrow.
Yeah.
Next day.
Tomorrow, 5 minutes?
5 minutes.
Okay. All right, we're all loaded up in the trailer, safe and sound. Next stop is OSW in the next video. It's a TRC event at OSW. It's gonna be huge. That racing channel is TRC. They have a bunch of awesome cars going out there. Street cars, drag cars, and drifting, and a car show and music. If you guys are in Orlando, come out February 3rd at OSW on the Speed World, and we'll be driving out there, having some fun, doing some testing, and the car is way better. Now, we did find those small issues, but they were small but very big at the same time. So I'm very glad we found that. Big thanks to Freddy for helping me out tuning the car as always. If you guys need a tune for any of your cars, drift cars, drag cars, street cars, all of the above, hit them up, SPECTUNED, link below. Also, big thanks to Real Street Performance for always supporting me, helping me out. In my hometown, Real Street has a huge legacy in racing, especially with 2 JZs and the JZ gang, JZ engines, and it's my favorite shop in Orlando to get all my parts and I need, my fuel. And we also run 1-ethanol R race fuel through Real Street Performance. If you guys need it locally, we have it right here, 1-ethanol R, 1-ethanol S, locally in Orlando, or you can order it online, they'll ship it right to your house. So yeah, I'm very stoked. The car is ready for the season. But yeah, I'll see you guys next video at OSW. Car's ready to go, and I'll see you guys there.